Alright, on today's episode, I'm going to show you what a stock truck sounds like with no cats and a stock muffler. So I got long tube headers, stainless steel headers that I got installed, no cats, stock muffler, stock resonators with just a Y pipe to connect the factory exhaust. So I got a comparison coming up after this in the stock 100% stock truck compared to this. Sitting here right now, you would never know. You start it up, it's a slightly more rumble, but let's give you a drive-by. I like it. Alright, so in-cab demonstration, we just did the flyby a couple times. I got the back window open. Wide open throttle. So if you have a state that requires emission test, you will get a check engine light with the no cats on. I am not done with the system yet. I still have the O2 sensors to install and whatnot. But as far as drivability inside the cab, you can hear it a little bit. This truck, 110,000, you can kind of hear that the muffler's a little rattly, tingy. I was hoping for slightly better rumble than it has now, and I'll probably still go aftermarket exhaust, so a quiet aftermarket exhaust. I liked it being quiet inside, but I was hoping for a little bit more of a rumble, especially with long tube headers and no cats. So but enjoy the rest of the video. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button. After this video, we're going to be doing 0 to 60 runs before and after the Super Chips programmer that I'm about to install.